This was a very cool thing that I received today. I wanted to do a video on it. I just purchased a 2023 BMW R18. Amazing bike, absolute work of art. And I bought the bike at Cross County Cycle over in Hasbrouck Heights. Ben Bobrowski was my sales advisor. And he excused himself for a moment, went upstairs, came down with this box. This is what you would have received if you got an R18 first edition, which you see here. And basically this, which came in a separate cardboard box with just some miscellaneous literature from BMW Motorrad. So this is the box that you would receive. And this is what is inside. So just a little introduction, BMW R18 first edition, just a brief summary, and then this amazing book, beautiful, hard cover book, BMW Motorrad, history of BMW motorcycles. I have not opened it yet. It's still in plastic, but I definitely will tear into that. But the cool thing is you receive this. Very cool. You get these 3 enamel badges, which of course are more of an old style badge, probably from the 30s, somewhere in there. That it appears to be what the font would be. You get the tool and also the fasteners to put these badges onto your tank. You get a belt buckle and leather belt, very cool. And then, of course, the R18 first edition hat, and then a pair of gloves. Very, very cool, beautiful presentation. Again, anyone buying an R18, this is just fantastic. Bike is an absolute work of art, and they follow it up with this box that they give you, and it's just got all those amazing goodies in it. Again, just wanted to share that with you. I thought it was very cool. If you liked the video, hit like and give me a thumbs up. And that's it. On to the next one.